Let's look at the external. Let's look at the external data. What external data really does. Uh, you may need a new data source of what? External data is all about importing from other databases, importing from online services, importing from other sources. So here, when it comes to external data, when you reach that button in Microsoft Access, it does not matter which version you're using, but when you say external data, it means you are going to import. Import is getting some data from another storage, from another hard disk, from another computer, from internet, from a frenzy file, out of your work. Then you embed it into your data or into your database. So you can still get external data from the file of not only Microsoft Access. It could be HTML document, it will be XML file, it will be a text file, or a document from Microsoft Excel. So here you can embed a file from Excel or from Access, from SQL Server, from Azure Database, from the base file, from Oracle, or any other database-oriented program. Then you embed it into this database of ours. So here we are looking at external data. What does external data means? External data looks at online services. For instance, SharePoint lists you can get from Dynamic 365 online. You can get from data servers. You can get from any other service, as long as it's from exporting. It means you are entering something from out, which is external. So that is external data. External data from still you can get it from other services like ODBC databases, Outlook folders, and other folders from different mediums. You can save still the external data. You can save it. Still you can save exports, what you have imported or what you are planning to also send to other data. You can as well save them. As we continue, I urge your friends to subscribe to Northbridge Technologies so that you can get more of these and other ICT tutorials. Let's continue. Excel, still you can have them. You can export. When we are looking at uh, you are looking at external data, still here the other side you've been importing, but still also you can send a selected objects to an Excel uh, workshop or worksheet in a Microsoft Excel file. You can save them. You can also send them to some other file, or you can export to text files. You can export selected objects to a text file which is located somewhere by entering into what? This, into external data. That's the power of external data. You can still have XML files also exported to another object. A PDF or XPS can also be exported. You can also link to emails. You can as well come and put your data onto email, different emails or your email address. You can as well use Access alone. You can export selected objects to an Access database. Onto Access database, still you can do more of that search. What exactly is in do more? Word. You can export the selected object to rich text, which is for instance Microsoft Word or WordPad. You can share point lists. You can as well share ODBC databases, HTML documents. Here we are looking at rich texts like Microsoft Word, WordPad. We can still look at another rich text, which is HTML, which is hypertext markup language document. Export selected objects to an HTML document. That is also very possible when you are under external databases. So when we continue to look at what exactly is embedded in external data, we can as well look at the HTML file or XML file. XML files are also looks like a rich text, but here you can link. You can link by browsing from that particular database, which database is linked into a certain folder. As you can see the extension, you can still come here and browse from other extensions, mainly if you are linked to internet. This one specifically shows you to specify the destination file name and format. So here you can also link here PDF or XP for easy readability. PDF you can also link from to a PDF format by trying to locate exactly from which publisher as PDF or XPS. You can link by picking exactly which folder or which object that contains the PDF file that can be linked to, 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 to which shows the publications. Then here, after selecting, you can pick the standards. We shall look at to those, and we shall look at to these other options. We shall continue to have them until when you say publish. We shall have, because here right now we are exploring, we are trying to explain these different pieces. Briefly, that is it for now. I urge your friends to subscribe to Northbridge Technologies, like, comment for more of this, that we can get the alarm when any update has been put onto online platforms. Briefly, that is it for now. I say have a good time. Let's meet in another active and good video that will explain more of the database tools. We shall explore more of these database tools. What are the database tools? We shall have them explored in another tutorial or another video. You can subscribe for more of these videos at Northbridge Technologies. Briefly, that is it for now. Thank you.